In this word problem, what we want to do is we want to be able to make an equation that would help us to solve this problem. The problem says that the water temperature at the beach started at 82 degrees and is rising 0.6 degrees each hour. If the water temperature is now 85, write and solve an equation to find h, the number of hours that have passed. So when you read a word problem, an important tool that you could use is to either highlight or circle some important information or underline it. So I've highlighted a few key words here that you should have. Started tells you have a beginning point of 82 degrees. The word rising means it's going up. You're going to be adding something. And you're going to be adding something for every single hour, which is what the word each implies. So let's look at what we're trying to find. We're trying to find h, the number of hours that have passed. Okay, so over here, where it said to define the variable, we're going to let h stand for the number of hours that have passed. When I tackle a word problem, I like to make kind of a word sentence to describe what's going on. So I have that typed in on the screen. We have a starting temperature, and we're going to add on the amount that the temperature went up, and that will equal our final temperature. So let's fill it in from the information above. Our starting temperature is 82. And then here's the tricky part. We need to somehow have an expression for how much the temperature went up. We don't know exactly how much it went up, but we do know that it rose 6 degrees every hour. We don't know how many hours it went up. So if you think about it, if the hours was 1 hour, the temperature would have rose 0.6 degrees. In 2 hours, the temperature would have rose 2 times 0.6. In 3 hours, it would have rose 3 times 0.6. Every hour that goes by, it's going up 0.6 degrees. So if h is the number of hours, then the amount that the temperature is increasing is 0.6 times h. We're going to add that amount that it went up, 0.6 times h, or 6/10 times h, plus the 82, and that will equal our final temperature of 85 degrees. So 82 plus 0.6h equal to 85 is the equation that you would use to solve this problem.